Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to increase display font size in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app, just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on account from the bottom side right here, just like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on setting icon from the top. So click on that, it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on general, and just like so, it take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply look for font size. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply drag this slider from here to as much as possible and how best you want your font size to increase. So you can also reduce it if you would like. So this is the reduction and this is increase. The more you drag, the more the font is going to be more bold. This is depends on how best you want your font size to increase or decrease in Alipay. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got fun for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.